Some of the followers know this car. It's my reliable V70 2004 D5, almost 300,000 kilometers. I would change the starter. The noise is really the sound of weak starter. So do it together. I will start by removing this air intake who's going to the intercooler, and it's a good opportunity to clean it. By the way, bonjour tout le monde. I'm not polite. It's dirty. I unplugged the battery. This common rail diesel engine are really not the best if you're always driving at low speed and low mileage by travel to make dirty your injection. I did the clean already before the EGR, but I think I have to do it again. There is another bolt under. The three bolts are the same. I thought worst, mais bon. As you can see, there is three bolts. There is only two bolts to hold it. Just to remove the cap. To unscrew the connector. Number 13. Another connector. As you can see, there is two bolts, one here and one here. That one supports the bracket, and it's socket number 14. I had to move the camera a little. I must not forget to put back. So it's the same bolt. Bolt nut, I'm always confused, guys. Now the starter motor should come alone. Let's see. Oh, génial. Oh no, I will never sell this car. I will never sell this car. I'm done with the cleaning. One. Now we must reconnect. Voilà. Next and last, the EGR. I put back the washer. Last one. Alors, ça et ça. Better to put in the opposite side. I don't want to remove again. Don't forget to tighten the braces, and don't forget also to put the cap on the negative. We're done. So let's try to start now. Here it is, one job done, ready for the winter. I will put the starter motor part number in the description if you need. And thank you for watching. See you soon, guys. Bye bye. Au revoir.